Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Phantom Wallet to Binance using the mobile app. Open your Binance app and on the lower right part of the menu, select Assets and go to Fiat and Spot. Now select Add Funds and select Deposit Methods and click on Chain Deposit. Now here in the search bar, you can search for USDT or you can just select USDT. Now choose a network, and since we are going to use Phantom, choose Solana. Now this is your wallet address, and what we need to do is to copy the wallet address so that we can transfer USDT from Phantom to Binance. Now let's open Phantom app to transfer USDT. Make sure you have enough Solana to make a successful transfer. Now to transfer, click USDT. Then click Send and paste the wallet address that you copy from Binance. Now select Next and type how much you are going to send. Click Next again. Then review all the details before clicking the Send button. And the transfer is being processed. Typically, it will take 1 to 2 minutes to process the transfer and successfully sent. Now all you have to do is to wait for the confirmation of Binance of the successful transfer. And there it is, the confirmation from Binance. Now let's check on the Binance app, and there you have it. We successfully transfer USDT from Phantom to Binance. If you find this video helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.